Make a great choice today with the 2017 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.